Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 人参とツナのごまマヨサラダ. It's carrot and tuna salad with creamy sesame dressing. So simple, so easy, but the dressing is amazing. Depending on how much tuna you put, it can be main or side dish. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with the salad. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Carrot. It's a little over 200 grams. Half a teaspoon of garlic paste. Canned tuna. This one is 80 grams, but please use as much as you like. 1 tablespoon of ponzu sauce. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available. 3 tablespoons of ground sesame. Very easy to remember. It's 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. And some salt and pepper. Let's make the sesame dressing first. Ground sesame, ponzu sauce, mayonnaise. Garlic paste, some salt and pepper to taste. Give it a mix. And the dressing is ready. I'm going to cut the carrot into needle-thin strips. Let's peel the skin. Cut the top and the bottom off and make paper thin diagonal slices. Then into needle-thin strips. Very thin strips. You can of course use mandolin. Let's add it to the bowl of dressing. Drained tuna into the bowl. I'm using the one in oil, but you can use the one in brine, whichever you like. Give it a good mix. And it's done. Super easy. Let's serve in the bowl. And 人参とツナのごまマヨサラダ is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Iただきます。Honestly, I'm not a big fan of carrot, but I love this salad and I make this very often. So flavorful and delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Let's have the salad as a side. So it goes here and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. How about takomeshi here and egg miso soup here? There is enough protein in these dishes, so let's pass the main. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!